What if we told you that some of the coolest gadgets of 2026 cost less than a dinner out? You don't always need expensive technology to make life easier. Sometimes, the smallest gadgets can solve the biggest everyday problems. From smart home upgrades and kitchen helpers to clever tools you never knew you needed, these affordable gadgets are designed to save time, add convenience, and even bring a little fun into your daily routine. But which ones are actually worth your money? Today, we're counting down 15 amazing gadgets under $50 that could completely change the way you work, cook, organize, and enjoy your free time. So, stay until the end, because the #1 gadget might be the most useful one on this list. And if you love discovering smart gadgets and future technology, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing finds. Let's begin. Number 15. Rack Magnetic Wristband. Have you ever been working on a project and suddenly dropped a screw, bolt, or tiny piece that disappeared somewhere impossible to find? That annoying problem is exactly what the RAK Magnetic Wristband solves. This simple but clever gadget turns your wrist into a mini tool station. It uses strong built-in magnets to hold screws, nails, bolts, washers, and drill bits while you work. Made with durable material and designed to stay comfortable, it keeps your hands free and saves you from constantly searching for small metal parts. Whether you're fixing furniture, working on DIY projects, or doing repairs around the house, this little gadget can make your work much faster. And the best part? It costs around $17, making it one of the most affordable tools you can add to your collection. Number 14. WUBEN G5 Flashlight. A flashlight is something you don't think about until the exact moment you need one. The WUBEN G5 flashlight is a tiny, everyday carry gadget that packs impressive power into a very small design. This compact flashlight produces bright light, includes different modes for different situations, and even features emergency lighting options. It comes with USB-C charging, waterproof protection, and a magnetic base that allows you to attach it to metal surfaces for hands-free lighting. At around $25, it's small enough to carry anywhere, but powerful enough to become a reliable tool during emergencies, outdoor trips, or simple everyday tasks. Number 13. Fanttik E1 Pro Electric Screwdriver. How many times have you needed to repair something, but couldn't find the right screwdriver? The Fanttik E1 Pro Electric Screwdriver brings professional-style precision into a small pocket-sized tool. Designed for electronics, watches, phones, and small appliances, this gadget includes multiple magnetic bits and rechargeable power. Its compact pen-style design makes it comfortable to hold, while different torque settings give you more control during delicate repairs. For around $43, it's a perfect gadget for DIY lovers, tech fans, or anyone who enjoys fixing things instead of replacing them. Number 12. Dorsey ST06 Portable Tire Inflator. Imagine being stuck with a low tire and having a solution right inside your car. The Dorsey ST06 Portable Tire Inflator is a compact emergency gadget designed to make tire problems much less stressful. It can inflate tires quickly, shows pressure on a digital display, automatically stops when the correct pressure is reached, and includes LED lights for nighttime situations. But it doesn't stop there. Its built-in battery can also work as a power bank for charging devices. For drivers, cyclists, and travelers, this $40 gadget is like carrying a small roadside assistant wherever you go. Number 11. 3 Peaches Wireless Earbuds. Good wireless earbuds don't have to cost hundreds of dollars. The 3 Peaches wireless earbuds offer a surprising number of features at a budget-friendly price. With Bluetooth 5.3, noise reduction technology, touch controls, and water resistance, these earbuds are designed for everyday music, calls, workouts, and entertainment. The charging case provides extra battery life, making them convenient for people who are always on the move. At around $20, they deliver impressive value for anyone who wants wireless audio without spending a fortune. Number 10. RMDRMD Fidget Gun. Sometimes your hands need something to do while your brain stays focused. The RMDRMD Fidget Gun is a unique stress relief gadget designed for people who enjoy satisfying clicks, slides, and movements. It combines different tactile actions into one compact desk toy that can help keep your hands busy during work, studying, or long periods of concentration. While quality can depend on the seller, a well-built version can be a fun and interesting desk accessory for around $40. Number 9. Nelko P21 Label Maker. A messy space can create a messy mind. The Nelko P21 Label Maker is a simple gadget that helps bring organization into your home, office, or classroom. Using Bluetooth, it connects to your smartphone and lets you create custom labels with different fonts, templates, and designs. The best part is that it uses thermal printing, meaning you don't need messy ink cartridges. Small, portable, rechargeable, and easy to use, this $30 gadget makes organizing drawers, containers, and important items much easier. Number 8. OLIGHT IMINI 2. What if your keychain could carry a powerful little light? The OLIGHT IMINI 2 is a tiny rechargeable flashlight that proves great things can come in small packages. It is small enough to attach to your keys, but bright enough to help you find lost items, unlock doors at night, or handle unexpected situations. With USB charging and a magnetic base, it's designed for convenience wherever you go. For about $20, it's a gadget you might forget you have, until the moment it becomes extremely useful. Number 7. Kusini S'mores Maker. Who says you need a campfire to enjoy delicious s'mores? The Kusini S'mores Maker brings the fun of outdoor treats directly into your home. This tabletop gadget uses an electric heater instead of an open flame, making it perfect for family nights, parties, and relaxing evenings. It comes with roasting forks and separate trays, allowing everyone to create their own sweet treats. At around $35, it's an affordable way to add entertainment and memorable moments to your home. Number 6. Starfrit Rotato Express. Peeling vegetables is one of those kitchen jobs nobody gets excited about. But the Starfrit Rotato Express peeler makes the process almost automatic. Simply place your fruit or vegetable inside, press a button, and watch it remove the skin quickly and smoothly. It works with potatoes, apples, cucumbers, and more, while reducing waste compared to traditional peeling. For busy cooks, this gadget can save time and make meal preparation much easier. Number 5. Brigii Electric Lighter. Traditional lighters have one big problem: wind. The Brigii electric lighter solves that with modern plasma arc technology that works even in challenging weather conditions. It's perfect for candles, grills, fireplaces, and outdoor activities. Because it's rechargeable through USB, there's no need to constantly buy disposable lighters. Compact, safe, and eco-friendly, this $13 gadget is a small upgrade that makes everyday tasks much simpler. Number 4. Turelar Immersion Blender. What if one small gadget could replace several kitchen tools? The Turelar Immersion Blender is designed to blend, puree, whisk, and chop using one convenient device. It can help you create smoothies, soups, sauces, baby food, and more with less effort. With powerful performance and extra attachments included in many sets, it offers excellent value for home cooks. At around $36, it's a kitchen helper that delivers a lot without taking up much space. Number 3. Fullstar Original Pro Chopper. Preparing vegetables can take a lot of time, but the Fullstar Original Pro Chopper makes it much faster. This multi-purpose kitchen gadget can chop, slice, dice, and prepare ingredients with less mess and effort. Its sharp stainless steel blades, large container, and easy clean design make cooking more convenient. For around $30, it's a useful tool that can save time every single day. Number 2. SwitchBot Smart Switch. Have you ever wanted a smart home without replacing all your appliances? The SwitchBot Smart Switch makes that possible. This tiny gadget attaches to regular switches and buttons, allowing you to control them through your phone. You can create schedules, automate routines, and even add voice control with compatible smart home systems. For around $30, it's one of the easiest ways to bring smart technology into an existing home. Number 1. LISEN Cell Phone Stand. And finally, our number 1 gadget is the LISEN Cell Phone Stand. It may look simple, but sometimes the simplest gadgets are the ones we use the most. This adjustable phone stand makes your smartphone easier and more comfortable to use while working, watching videos, joining calls, or following recipes. It features adjustable height, flexible viewing angles, a strong weighted base, and a smart charging cable opening. For around $15, it's an affordable upgrade that improves your everyday phone experience. And that's our countdown of the 15 amazing gadgets under $50 in 2026. From smart home devices to kitchen helpers and clever everyday tools, these gadgets prove that innovation doesn't have to be expensive. Now we want to know, which gadget would you buy first? Tell us in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next list of amazing gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.